Patrick at Pals with Dylan. We're over here at our press. This is something that every shop that works on differentials needs, and that's a press. And what Dylan is doing is he's going to press the bearing onto the pinion. And this is critical. You've got to have the right spacing on it, and it's got to seat properly. If it's too high or too low, it won't work properly and it'll burn up the new parts. So what Dylan's doing right now is he's putting spacers in for the jack to go down on. So the way that this press works is you've got your hydraulic jack up here, and you put your bearing or the part that you're going to press on down at the bottom, and then you raise it up so that the press will contact the part that you want pressed on. So this is infinitely adjustable. Well, not infinitely, it's got a cap. You can only go so tall, but it's good for axles and it's good for smaller parts like this pinion gear. But it is critical that these are set up properly, otherwise the ring and pinion will fail. If you've got a ring and pinion and need it assembled properly, bring it to Pals. See you soon.